Today, I am doing gardening maintenance. I'm going to fill some of my planters in pots. My garlic over here is still curling on the top, and I don't know why. So if you see my other garlic on the other pod, it's looking great. And you get over here, I don't know if it's because it's the type of garlic. I have Laura's, and I think over here, Laura's Italian, California White. Over there, I have, let's go over here. This is Silver White, and that looks really good. So this is Silver White garlic. So for some reason, the other one is curling at the top, and I don't know if it's because of the water. It just rained, and this is looking beautiful, but over here, I don't know if it's not getting enough rain. I don't know if it's the soil, or I don't know if it's something in there eating up the garlic from below. But look. So if you know why the garlic is curling at the top, let me know. I'm gonna have to go out and look at research. So I'm over here with my onions now. And I was gonna cut off some of the tops. Flopping over a little bit. I'm gonna use this as green onions. So what I have here is romaine lettuce, and I have a butter crunch lettuce, and the rest is bok choy. And this is my other bed. I have beets and celery, Brussels sprouts, and a couple of cabbages. That's one. And then I have the purple cabbage right there. And now I'm going to plant my snapdragons and these two new planters that I bought. I have a mixture of perlite, peat moss, and compost. So I have two of these, and I'm going to fill both of them up, and it's time to plant the snapdragons that I've had sitting out for too long. They might be root bound, but we will see.
And I'm just going to put them both, fill both of them, and then spread some more snapdragons in other places. I topped off my soil mixture with Happy Frog. And when I pull my plants out of the pots, the roots looked really good. So I was happy to see that. Now, I bought these planters at Home Depot. They were about $40 each. I was so excited because those pots run much higher than that at other stores. I was surprised. But they're beautiful, beautiful. They are made of real wood. It's not a plastic container. So I was just so excited to finally get these flowers out and plant them in both planters. I really want to go back and get a couple of more of those because I want pots all over on the other section. And I'm also going to get some grow bags. I've never used grow bags before. So I think I want to put a few things in grow bags, maybe some peppers. I have a section of my garden that I want to call my pepper alley and just put a lot of my peppers in either grow bags or pots. We will see. That will be my next project. I have to make sure that each plant is firmly packed in here because it is very windy where I am. And now it's time to water. I started my artichokes from seed indoors, and they hardened off for maybe about a month. They've been out here for a while. So I decided to put them in the large pots because they get very large. So once they outgrow those pots, I need to figure out what I'm going to do next. Had a small harvest today. I picked some collards, collard greens, and all of my onion tops. That's a lot. They were huge. And broccoli that was on its way to bolting. It has been very warm. The weather is up and down. Oh, and here's my celery. So I chopped just a few leaves of my celery. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.